Hi, I'm Zach Caligari, freelance graphic designer in New York City, and today we are talking about Photoshop. Adding color to objects in Photoshop is very easy. Let's first start by making three different objects. I'm going to make a circle and a rectangle and let's make a triangle. Now, if you want to change the color of an object, you can do that in one of two ways. First, if you look over in your layers area, you can see that this is the triangle, this is the rectangle, and this is the circle. And next to each of those layers is the color. So if I want to double click next to the circle, then I could change the circle to, say, red. And if I want to go up to my rectangle layer, I can click and make my rectangle blue. And for the triangle, let's make orange. And for this one, rather than clicking in this box here, I'm going to hold down the Control key and click on the triangle in the document. And you can see these gray squares at each of the corners. And then I'm going to go up and click on the color box and make it orange. And you can see we've easily made three different objects and given them all a different color.